Planet Earth, a vibrant sphere teeming with life. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, life finds a way. A symphony of biodiversity unfolds, a testament to the power of evolution. Yet this precious web of life is delicate, susceptible to change. We must understand its journey to appreciate its fragility and safeguard its future. Chapter 2. The Dawn of Life. Billions of years ago, Earth was a very different place. The planet we now call home was a harsh and inhospitable environment, a far cry from the vibrant and diverse ecosystems we see today. Volcanic eruptions, violent storms, and a toxic atmosphere characterized our young planet. The air was thick with noxious gases, and the surface was constantly reshaped by powerful geological forces. Yet in these harsh conditions, life began to emerge. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life that it could take root in such a hostile environment. Simple, single-celled organisms appeared in the primordial soup, setting the stage for the complex tapestry of life we see today. These early life forms were the pioneers, the first to carve out an existence in a world that seemed determined to snuff them out. These early life forms were the pioneers, adapting to extreme environments and evolving over millions of years. They thrived in the boiling waters of geothermal pools, in the crushing depths of the ocean, and in the toxic atmosphere that enveloped the planet. They paved the way for the diversity of species that would eventually inhabit every corner of the Earth. From the simplest bacteria to the most complex multicellular organisms, all life on Earth can trace its lineage back to these humble beginnings. Understanding the origins of life not only fascinates us, but also reminds us of the resilience and adaptability inherent in all living beings. The story of life's beginnings is a story of survival, transformation, and the relentless pursuit of existence. It is a story of survival, transformation, and the relentless pursuit of existence. Life has always found a way to adapt, to overcome, and to thrive, no matter the obstacles in its path. Join us as we delve deeper into the mysteries of life's beginnings and explore how these ancient organisms laid the groundwork for the vibrant planet we call home. The journey of life is a journey of discovery, of understanding our place in the universe, and of appreciating the incredible diversity of life that surrounds us. Scientists have spent decades studying the origins of life, piecing together clues from ancient fossils, DNA sequences, and the geological record. Their work has revealed a complex and fascinating story, one that continues to unfold with each new discovery. The study of life's origins is not just about understanding the past, it is also about unlocking the secrets of life itself. By studying how life began, we can learn more about how it functions, how it evolves, and how it adapts to changing environments. This knowledge has practical applications as well. It can help us develop new medical treatments, create more sustainable agricultural practices, and even guide our search for life on other planets. The quest to understand the origins of life is a collaborative effort, involving scientists from many different fields. Biologists, chemists, geologists, and astronomers all work together, each bringing their unique expertise to the table. Their combined efforts have led to remarkable discoveries, shedding light on the processes that gave rise to life and the factors that have shaped its evolution over billions of years. The story of life's origins is a story of change, of adaptation, and of survival. It is a story that continues to be written as new discoveries push the boundaries of our knowledge and challenge our understanding of what it means to be alive. As we continue to explore the mysteries of life's beginnings, we are reminded of the incredible journey that has brought us to this point. From the first single-celled organisms to the complex web of life that now covers the Earth, the story of life is one of resilience, innovation, and endless possibility. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution, the process by which life adapts and changes over time. It is a process that has given rise to the incredible variety of species we see today, each uniquely adapted to its environment. By studying the origins of life, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the natural world. We learn to see the connections between all living things and to understand our place in the grand tapestry of life. The story of life's beginnings is a story of hope, of perseverance, and of the incredible potential that lies within each of us. It is a story that inspires us to keep exploring, to keep learning, and to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. Join us as we continue our journey through time, exploring the origins of life and the incredible story of evolution that has shaped our world. Together, we will uncover the secrets of the past and unlock the mysteries of the future as we seek to understand the incredible journey of life on Earth. Chapter 3: The Rise of Multicellular Life. As single-celled organisms continue to thrive and diversify, a remarkable transformation was underway. These tiny pioneers began to form alliances, clustering together to create more complex structures. This cooperation marked the dawn of multicellular life. In the ancient oceans, colonies of cells started to work together, each taking on specialized roles. This division of labor allowed these early multicellular organisms to become more efficient and adaptable. Over millions of years, these simple colonies evolved into more complex forms, leading to the first animals, plants, and fungi. Imagine a world where the seas teemed with strange, soft-bodied creatures unlike anything we see today. These early multicellular organisms developed new ways to move, feed, and reproduce, laying the groundwork for the incredible diversity of life that would follow. One of the key innovations during this period was the development of specialized tissues and organs. Cells within these organisms began to communicate and coordinate their activities, leading to the formation of structures like muscles, nerves, and digestive systems. This increased complexity allowed multicellular life to explore new environments and exploit new resources. The rise of multicellular life also brought about new challenges. Organisms had to find ways to protect themselves from predators, compete for resources, and reproduce successfully. These pressures drove the evolution of new strategies and adaptations, leading to an ever-increasing variety of life forms. As multicellular life continued to evolve, the stage was set for some of the most significant events in the history of our planet. The Cambrian explosion, a period of rapid diversification, saw the emergence of many of the major groups of animals we know today. This burst of evolutionary creativity gave rise to the ancestors of insects, fish, reptiles, and mammals, including our own distant relatives. The story of multicellular life is a testament to the power of cooperation and the endless possibilities of evolution. From the first simple colonies to the complex organisms that now inhabit every corner of the Earth, multicellular life has continually adapted and thrived, shaping the world around us. Join us in the next chapter as we explore how these early multicellular organisms laid the foundation for the incredible diversity of life we see today, and how their legacy continues to influence the evolution of life on Earth. Welcome to the Cambrian explosion, often referred to as life's Big Bang. This extraordinary period, beginning around 541 million years ago, was marked by a rapid diversification of life forms unlike anything the planet had seen before. In the blink of an eye, geologically speaking, the oceans became a bustling metropolis of life. New body plans, feeding strategies, and ecological roles emerged at an astonishing rate. This was a time when the ancestors of nearly all modern animal groups first appeared. Imagine the seas teeming with an array of bizarre and wonderful creatures. Trilobites, with their segmented bodies and complex eyes, scuttled along the ocean floor. Predatory Anomaluricaris, with its fearsome, grasping appendages, hunted smaller organisms. The seas were alive with sponges, jellyfish, and the first primitive vertebrates. But what triggered this explosion of life? Scientists believe a combination of factors played a role. Rising oxygen levels in the oceans provided the energy needed for more complex life forms. The development of predation created an evolutionary arms race, driving the rapid innovation of defensive and offensive adaptations. New ecological niches opened up, allowing organisms to exploit different ways of life. For the first time, animals burrowed into the sediment, swam freely in the water column, and formed complex communities on the sea floor. The Cambrian explosion also saw the advent of hard body parts, like shells and exoskeletons. These provided protection from predators and supported more complex body structures, paving the way for the incredible diversity of forms we see today. This period of rapid change didn't just shape the marine environment. The evolutionary innovations of the Cambrian laid the foundations for the future of life on Earth. The genetic blueprints established during this time would be passed down through generations, influencing the development of all subsequent life forms. As we look back on the Cambrian explosion, we see a world transformed. The simple, soft-bodied organisms of the Precambrian gave way to a vibrant tapestry of life, rich in complexity and variety. This was a time of unparalleled creativity, a true testament to the power and potential of evolution. In the next chapter, we'll explore how the legacy of the Cambrian explosion continued to shape the evolution of life on Earth, leading to the rise of the first vertebrates and the eventual colonization of land. Join us as we delve deeper into the story of life on our planet, uncovering the remarkable journey that has led to the incredible diversity we see today. As the Cambrian explosion set the stage, a new chapter in the history of life began to unfold: the rise of vertebrates. Around 500 million years ago, the first vertebrates appeared, marking a significant leap in the complexity of life. These pioneering creatures were the ancestors of all fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, including humans. The earliest vertebrates were jawless fish known as agnathons, which swam through the ancient seas. Despite their simple appearance, these creatures had a backbone, a revolutionary feature that provided structural support and protection for the spinal cord. This adaptation would prove to be a game changer, allowing vertebrates to grow larger and more mobile than their invertebrate counterparts. Over millions of years, vertebrates evolved new features that would further enhance their survival and diversification. The development of jaws was a monumental innovation, enabling these creatures to exploit a wider range of food sources. With jaws, vertebrates could become proficient hunters, leading to a new era of predation and ecological interactions. Fins evolved into more sophisticated structures, paving the way for the first true fish. These early fish developed paired pectoral and pelvic fins, which provided better maneuverability and stability in the water. This adaptability allowed them to explore different habitats and niches, driving further evolutionary advancements. But the story of vertebrates doesn't end in the water. Around 360 million years ago, some fish began to venture onto land, giving rise to the first tetrapods. These pioneering animals, with their robust limbs and lungs, were the ancestors of all land-dwelling vertebrates. The move to land opened up an entirely new frontier, leading to the evolution of amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. The vertebrate revolution was not just about physical changes. It also brought about significant developments in sensory organs, nervous systems, and behavior. The evolution of complex brains, advanced vision, and refined motor skills allowed vertebrates to interact with their environments in increasingly sophisticated ways. As we look back on the vertebrate revolution, we see a remarkable journey of innovation and adaptation. From the first jawless fish to the diverse array of animals that inhabit our planet today, vertebrates have left an indelible mark on the history of life. In the next chapter, we'll explore the incredible story of life's conquest of land, focusing on the rise of amphibians and the challenges they faced in adapting to terrestrial environments. Join us as we continue to unravel the fascinating tale of evolution, tracing the steps that have led to the rich tapestry of life we see today. As we continue our journey through the history of life, we arrive at a pivotal moment, the conquest of land. Around 360 million years ago, some pioneering fish began to emerge from the water, stepping onto the land for the first time. This monumental transition was driven by a combination of environmental pressures and evolutionary innovations. The earliest land explorers were amphibians, descendants of lobe-finned fish known as sarcopterygians. These remarkable creatures possessed both gills and primitive lungs, allowing them to breathe in water and air. Their sturdy lobed fins evolved into limb-like structures, providing the support needed to navigate the challenging terrestrial landscape. Life on land presented a host of new challenges. These early amphibians had to contend with gravity, desiccation, and the need for new methods of reproduction. Their skin, initially adapted for aquatic life, required constant moisture to function properly. As a result, amphibians remained closely tied to water, often returning to aquatic environments to lay their eggs. Despite these challenges, the move to land offered significant advantages. The terrestrial environment was rich with untapped resources, including new food sources and habitats. With fewer predators and competitors, these early amphibians found opportunities for diversification and expansion. Over time, amphibians evolved a range of adaptations to better suit their new terrestrial lifestyle. Their limbs became more robust, enabling them to support their weight and move more efficiently on land. Their respiratory systems became more sophisticated with the development of more efficient lungs and the ability to absorb oxygen through their skin. As amphibians thrived, they paved the way for the emergence of new groups of land-dwelling vertebrates. Reptiles, with their tough, scaly skin and amniotic eggs, were among the first to fully break free from the constraints of aquatic environments. These adaptations allowed reptiles to colonize a wide range of habitats, from arid deserts to lush forests. The conquest of land was not just a physical transition, it also brought about significant changes in behavior and ecology. New forms of locomotion, feeding strategies, and social interactions emerged as vertebrates adapted to their terrestrial surroundings. These innovations set the stage for the incredible diversity of life we see on land today. As we reflect on this chapter of evolution, we are reminded of the resilience and adaptability of life. The journey from water to land was a monumental leap, one that opened up a world of possibilities and laid the foundation for the rich tapestry of terrestrial life. In the next chapter, we'll delve into the rise of reptiles and the incredible adaptations that allowed them to dominate the land for millions of years. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating story of evolution, uncovering the secrets of life's relentless drive to thrive and diversify. As we continue our journey through the history of life, we arrive at a pivotal moment, the age of reptiles. Following the conquest of land by amphibians, reptiles emerged as the dominant terrestrial vertebrates around 300 million years ago. This era, known as the Mesozoic, spanned over 180 million years and witnessed the rise and fall of some of the most iconic creatures to ever walk the earth. Reptiles, with their tough, scaly skin and amniotic eggs, were among the first to fully break free from the constraints of aquatic environments. These adaptations allowed reptiles to colonize a wide range of habitats, from arid deserts to lush forests. The amniotic egg, in particular, was a revolutionary innovation. Encased in a protective shell, it provided a self-contained aquatic environment for the developing embryo, enabling reptiles to reproduce away from water. As reptiles diversified, they gave rise to a multitude of forms, including the mighty dinosaurs. These incredible creatures dominated the land for over 160 million years, evolving into a staggering array of shapes and sizes. From the towering, long-necked sauropods to the fearsome, carnivorous theropods, dinosaurs occupied every conceivable ecological niche. During this time, the Earth itself was undergoing significant changes. The supercontinent Pangaea began to break apart, creating new coastlines and altering global climates. These shifting environments drove the evolution of reptiles, leading to the emergence of new species and the extinction of others. Reptiles didn't just dominate the land, they also took to the skies and seas. The first flying vertebrates, the pterosaurs, appeared during the late Triassic period. With their membranous wings and lightweight bones, these remarkable creatures soared above the ancient landscapes, hunting for prey and evading predators. Meanwhile, in the oceans, marine reptiles like ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs ruled the waves, adapting to life in the water with streamlined bodies and powerful flippers. The age of reptiles was a time of unparalleled biodiversity and ecological innovation. Reptiles developed a wide range of feeding strategies, from the herbivorous giants that grazed on ancient ferns to the agile predators that stalked their prey with razor-sharp teeth and claws. Social behaviors also evolved, with some species forming complex herds and engaging in elaborate courtship displays. Yet despite their dominance, the reign of reptiles was not eternal. Around 66 million years ago, a catastrophic event marked the end of the Mesozoic era. A massive asteroid impact coupled with volcanic activity and climate change triggered a mass extinction that wiped out nearly 75% of all species, including the non-avian dinosaurs. But this was not the end of the story. From the ashes of this great extinction, new life forms emerged, paving the way for the rise of mammals and the eventual dominance of humans. The legacy of the age of reptiles lives on in the birds that grace our skies and the reptiles that still inhabit our world today. As we reflect on this chapter of evolution, we are reminded of the incredible resilience and adaptability of life. The age of reptiles was a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless drive to thrive in an ever-changing world. In the next chapter, we'll explore the rise of mammals and the remarkable adaptations that allowed them to flourish in the aftermath of the dinosaur extinction. Join us as we continue to uncover the secrets of life's extraordinary journey through time. In the aftermath of the cataclysmic event that ended the age of reptiles, a new chapter in the history of life began: the rise of mammals. Approximately 66 million years ago, as the dust settled from the asteroid impact, the world was a vastly different place. The extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs left a void in Earth's ecosystems, creating opportunities for other life forms to flourish. Mammals, which had been small and relatively inconspicuous during the reign of dinosaurs, were now poised to take center stage. These early mammals were endowed with unique adaptations that would prove crucial in the New World. Warm-blooded and covered in fur, they could regulate their body temperature, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments. Their keen senses and complex brains enabled them to exploit new niches and resources. One of the most remarkable adaptations of mammals was their method of reproduction. Unlike reptiles, which laid amniotic eggs, most mammals gave birth to live young and nourished them with milk. This provided their offspring with a greater chance of survival in the harsh post-extinction world. The bond between mother and offspring also fostered complex social behaviors, laying the groundwork for the intricate societies that would later evolve. As the continents continued to drift apart and climate shifted, mammals diversified into a myriad of forms, from the tiny shrew-like creatures that scurried through the underbrush to the massive herbivores that roamed the grasslands. Mammals occupied every conceivable ecological niche. Some returned to the oceans, evolving into the ancestors of today's whales and dolphins. Others took to the skies, giving rise to the first bats. The Eocene epoch, beginning around 56 million years ago, saw an explosion of mammalian diversity. Forests flourished in the warm, humid climate, providing ample food and shelter for a vast array of species. Among them were the early primates, small tree-dwelling creatures that would eventually give rise to humans. The rise of mammals was not without challenges. Periods of global cooling led to the ice ages, testing the resilience of these adaptable creatures. Yet time and again, mammals demonstrated their ability to innovate and survive. They developed new strategies for finding food, avoiding predators, and coping with changing environments. As we reflect on the rise of mammals, we witness the power of adaptation and the relentless drive of life to overcome obstacles. This chapter in the story of evolution is a testament to the resilience and creativity of nature. From the humble beginnings of small nocturnal creatures, mammals evolved into the dominant life forms on Earth, paving the way for the eventual rise of humans. Join us in the next chapter as we explore the dawn of humanity and the profound impact that one species would have on the planet. The journey of life continues, revealing the intricate tapestry of evolution and the enduring legacy of those who came before us. As mammals continue to diversify and adapt, a new chapter in the story of life on Earth began, the dawn of humanity. Around 6 million years ago, in the heart of Africa, a lineage of primates began to diverge from their common ancestors, with chimpanzees and bonobos. These early hominins would embark on a journey that would eventually lead to the rise of Homo sapiens. The first significant step in this journey was the evolution of bipedalism. Walking on two legs freed the hands for other tasks, such as tool use and carrying objects. This fundamental change in locomotion set the stage for further developments in human evolution. The fossil record reveals a fascinating array of early hominins, each contributing to our understanding of how modern humans came to be. One of the most famous of these early ancestors is Australopithecus afarensis, best known from the iconic fossil Lucy, discovered in Ethiopia. Living around 3.2 million years ago, Lucy and her kin displayed a mix of ape-like and human-like traits, walking upright but still retaining features suited for climbing trees. As the climate fluctuated and habitats changed, hominins faced new challenges and opportunities. The development of larger brains was a crucial adaptation, enabling more complex thought, problem-solving, and social interactions. The genus Homo emerged around 2.5 million years ago, with species such as Homo habilis and Homo erectus showcasing remarkable advancements in tool-making and survival strategies. The migration of Homo erectus out of Africa marked a pivotal moment in human history. These early humans spread across Asia and Europe, adapting to diverse environments and laying the groundwork for future human expansion. The capacity to harness fire, develop language, and create sophisticated tools set Homo erectus apart from their predecessors and paved the way for further evolutionary progress. Around 300,000 years ago, our own species, Homo sapiens, appeared on the scene. With even larger brains and more refined tools, early humans continued to innovate and adapt. Art, culture, and complex social structures began to emerge, reflecting the growing cognitive abilities of our ancestors. The journey of Homo sapiens was not without competition. Neanderthals, Denisovans, and other archaic human species coexisted with early modern humans, each leaving their mark on the genetic and cultural landscape. Through interbreeding and interaction, these encounters shaped the course of human evolution. As Homo sapiens spread across the globe, they encountered and adapted to a wide range of environments. From the harsh Arctic tundra to the dense tropical rainforests, humans demonstrated an unparalleled ability to thrive in diverse conditions. This adaptability, coupled with the capacity for innovation and collaboration, would eventually lead to the rise of civilizations and the profound impact of humanity on the planet. Join us in the next chapter as we explore the emergence of human societies, the dawn of agriculture, and the transformative power of human culture. The story of life on Earth is far from over, and the legacy of our ancestors continues to shape our world today. Together, we will uncover the intricate tapestry of evolution and the enduring spirit of discovery that defines the human experience. As Homo sapiens spread across the globe, their unique ability to adapt and innovate allowed them to thrive in a multitude of environments. This adaptability, coupled with advanced cognitive skills, set the stage for the next monumental leap in human history, the dawn of civilization. Around 12,000 years ago, as the last ice age receded and climate stabilized, humans began to transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled agricultural communities. This shift, known as the Neolithic Revolution, marked the beginning of a profound transformation in human society. In the fertile valleys of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the seeds of agriculture were sown. The domestication of plants and animals provided a reliable food source, enabling populations to grow and communities to flourish. Villages evolved into complex urban centers, giving rise to some of the world's earliest civilizations. The Sumerians in Mesopotamia were pioneers of this new way of life. They developed sophisticated systems of irrigation, writing, and governance. The invention of the wheel, the plough, and the sailboat revolutionized transportation and agriculture, propelling human progress forward. As societies grew, so did their need for organization and communication. The creation of writing systems such as cuneiform in Mesopotamia and hieroglyphics in Egypt allowed for the recording of history, laws, and knowledge. These early records provide invaluable insights into the lives and achievements of ancient peoples. The construction of monumental structures like the pyramids of Egypt and the ziggurats of Mesopotamia showcased the ingenuity and ambition of these early civilizations. These architectural marvels were not only feats of engineering, but also expressions of cultural and religious beliefs. Trade networks expanded, connecting distant regions and facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies. The spread of knowledge and culture enriched societies, fostering innovation and collaboration. Civilizations such as the Indus Valley, ancient China, and Mesoamerica each developed unique contributions to human heritage. The rise of complex societies also brought challenges. Social hierarchies, conflicts, and environmental changes tested the resilience of these early civilizations. Yet through adaptation and ingenuity, they continue to evolve, leaving a lasting legacy on the world. As we journey through the story of life on Earth, the dawn of civilization stands as a testament to human creativity, resilience, and the unyielding quest for progress. Join us in the next chapter as we delve into the rise and fall of empires, the birth of scientific thought, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that has shaped our modern world. The tale of human evolution is one of constant discovery and transformation. Together, we will unravel the intricate threads of our past and uncover the enduring spirit of innovation that defines humanity. As we leave the dawn of civilization behind, the next chapter in human history unfolds with the birth of empires. From the fertile crescent of Mesopotamia to the vast expanses of the Roman Empire, Humanity's quest for dominance, knowledge, and progress took on new dimensions. Empires rose and fell, each leaving an indelible mark on the tapestry of human history. The Akkadian Empire, under the rule of Sargon the Great, unified Mesopotamia and laid the foundations for future empires. Its legacy of centralized governance and military prowess set the stage for centuries of imperial ambition. In the East, the ancient Egyptians built an empire that stood the test of time. Their mastery of engineering and architecture gave rise to the iconic pyramids, while their advances in medicine, mathematics, and astronomy contributed significantly to human knowledge. The Indus Valley civilization, with its sophisticated urban planning and trade networks, highlighted the potential of collective human endeavor. Meanwhile, in China, the Shang and Zhou dynasties established the bedrock of Chinese culture and governance, influencing countless generations to come. The Persian Empire, under the leadership of Cyrus the Great, showcased the power of cultural tolerance and administrative efficiency. Its vast network of roads and communication systems facilitated the exchange of ideas and goods, fostering an interconnected world. In the West, the Greeks and Romans pushed the boundaries of human achievement. The Greeks, with their philosophy, art, and science, laid the intellectual groundwork for Western civilization. The Roman Empire, with its unparalleled engineering feats and legal systems, created a legacy that continues to shape our world today. Empires were not just centers of power and conquest, they were crucibles of culture, innovation, and progress. They brought together diverse peoples, fostering an exchange of ideas that propelled humanity forward. However, the rise of empires also brought challenges. The concentration of power often led to social stratification, conflicts, and eventual decline. Yet from the ashes of fallen empires, new societies emerged, carrying forward the torch of human progress. As we explore the birth of empires, we uncover the complexities of human ambition and the relentless pursuit of greatness. Join us in the next chapter as we delve into the transformative era of scientific thought, the Renaissance, and the Age of Exploration. The story of human evolution is far from over, and our journey through history continues to reveal the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we move beyond the rise and fall of empires, we enter a transformative era in human history. The Renaissance, a period often referred to as a new dawn. Sparked by a renewed interest in the classical knowledge of ancient Greece and Rome, this era marked an extraordinary explosion of creativity, scientific discovery, and intellectual pursuit. The Renaissance began in Italy during the 14th century and gradually spread across Europe, bringing with it profound changes in art, culture, and science. It was a time when individuals like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo stood at the forefront of artistic innovation, creating masterpieces that continue to captivate us today. Da Vinci's Mona Lisa and Michelangelo's David are not just artworks, they are symbols of human potential and creativity. In the realm of science, the Renaissance was a period of groundbreaking discoveries. Figures such as Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler challenged the established views of the cosmos, laying the foundation for modern astronomy. Their work was revolutionary, shifting the perception of Earth from the center of the universe to just one of many celestial bodies orbiting the Sun. This era also saw the invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg, a development that cannot be overstated. The ability to mass-produce books democratized knowledge, making it accessible to a broader audience and fueling the spread of new ideas. For the first time, ordinary people could engage with texts that were previously the exclusive domain of the elite. The Renaissance was not limited to art and science. It also transformed the way people thought about humanity itself. Humanism, a philosophical movement that emphasized the value and agency of human beings, became the intellectual backbone of the period. Thinkers like Erasmus and Thomas More explored ideas about society, ethics and governance, laying the groundwork for modern human rights and democratic principles. As we delve into the Renaissance, we uncover a period where the thirst for knowledge and the drive for innovation pushed humanity to new heights. This new dawn was not just a rebirth of classical knowledge, but a bold step forward, setting the stage for the scientific revolution and the age of exploration. Join us in the next chapter as we explore how these Renaissance ideals paved the way for the scientific advancements and explorations that would shape the modern world. The journey of human evolution is a testament to our boundless curiosity and relentless pursuit of understanding. As the Renaissance ideals of knowledge and discovery took hold, humanity embarked on an era of unprecedented exploration and scientific inquiry. This period, known as the Age of Exploration and the Scientific Revolution, transformed our understanding of the world and our place within it. In the late 15th century, driven by curiosity and the desire for new trade routes, explorers such as Christopher Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and Ferdinand Magellan set sail into uncharted waters. Their journeys expanded the known world, connecting distant continents and cultures in ways previously unimaginable. These explorations led to the exchange of goods, ideas, and knowledge, forever altering the course of human history. Parallel to these voyages, the scientific revolution was unfolding, a period marked by monumental advancements in science and technology. Pioneers like Isaac Newton, René Descartes, and Francis Bacon challenged traditional beliefs and laid the groundwork for modern scientific thought. Through meticulous observation, experimentation, and the use of the scientific method, they unlocked the secrets of the natural world. One of the most profound shifts during this time was in our understanding of the cosmos. Building on the work of Copernicus and Kepler, Galileo Galilei used his telescope to observe celestial bodies, providing compelling evidence for the heliocentric model of the solar system. His discoveries challenged the long-held geocentric view, inciting both controversy and wonder. Isaac Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation further revolutionized our comprehension of the universe. His work not only explained the movements of celestial bodies, but also laid the foundation for classical mechanics, influencing countless fields of study. The age of exploration and the scientific revolution were also marked by significant technological advancements. The development of the printing press, refined navigation instruments, and improved shipbuilding techniques facilitated the spread of knowledge and the expansion of human horizons. In medicine, figures like Andreas Vesalius and William Harvey made groundbreaking discoveries about human anatomy and the circulatory system, challenging centuries-old medical theories and improving our understanding of the human body. This era was a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It was a time when the boundaries of the known world expanded and the mysteries of the universe began to unravel. The age of exploration and the scientific revolution laid the foundations for the modern world, shaping the way we perceive and interact with our environment. Join us in the next chapter as we continue to explore the journey of human evolution and the remarkable milestones that have defined our species. From the dawn of civilization to the cutting-edge advancements of today, our story is one of endless curiosity and discovery.